You are now watching Doorbell News.
Los Angeles, California.
I think they got rings all around them.
Yeah, they got rings, all right. Los Angeles, California. Can't even have doormats anymore. What a shame. A woman in Charlotte, North Carolina is understandably distraught because her apartment is flooded. A lot of times in the cold weather, sprinkler pipes begin to freeze over and burst, and this is the end result. Looks like all of her belongings are waterlogged. Unfortunately for this lady, she didn't have a Merry Christmas. Let's hope the apartment management company took care of her. North Hollywood, California. So this woman's walking around with a broom and dustpan or something, acting like she's the cleaning lady. Yeah, she's trying to clean up all right. Clean up all the goods in your apartment. She's going around wiggling people's doorknobs. Yeah, we're on to you, lady. Charlotte, North Carolina. Better keep those doors locked. Yeah, this guy's going around wiggling doorknobs trying to gain entry. Looks like he doesn't know where he's at. Get lost! Charlotte, North Carolina. This is probably some of the most impressive footage that I've ever seen of a coyote that was captured on a Ring camera. We usually only see coyotes at nighttime, but as you can see, this guy's out in the daytime looking for food. He looks to be a pretty big coyote. Yeah, better keep those small pets inside, because the coyotes are hungry. Charlotte, North Carolina. Yeah. Always keep those doors locked. This guy walks up to someone's door, tries to open it, then he rings the doorbell and takes off. Keep those doors locked. Yeah, Charlotte, North Carolina. I don't know if this is a prank or what. They kick down this homeowner's door and they run off. Los Angeles, California.
¡A la puerta, güey!
Check this guy out.
Estoy hablando, Claudia. Que abra la mendiga puerta, estoy diciendo.
What's he saying?
¿No las abrí?
No habla español. Get lost!
¿Si la vas a abrir o no, güey? Puta mendiga madre. ¿Cómo está Carlos Santos?
Burbank, California. So this woman trying to wiggle someone's doorknob. Yeah, we see you. Even though you got your fake wig on and your glasses, we see your face, lady. Get lost! Los Angeles, California. So this guy jumps over someone's gate. It's obviously locked. It's obviously private property. But this guy just entitled and he just feels like he just jump over anyone's gate, but gets busted in the act. Let's see what happens.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just up. I was just.
You gotta go, man. Go.
Okay, my bad, my bad.
No, you gotta get out
I'm
right
going,
now.
I'm going right now, bro.
What are you doing?
I was just climbing the fence.
Why are you breaking?
New Orleans, Louisiana.
Here we are, New Orleans. We just survived the entire house being shot up. Here we go. This is where we know of one bullet entry so far into the house. Came through there, okay, came out here. It knocked this tin of tobacco off, went through my Saints and Sinners hat. Look at that right there. There's the entry right there. This is one bullet did this. Came out the other side right there. Came all the way over here. Thank God missed my computer. I mean, thank God it missed me.
And a detail went running through the house.
Missed a bobtail. Shot up this. Rolly Plat. Rolly Plat. Here's your harpois.
Phoenix, Arizona. Check out those eyeballs. Yeah. Get lost! Los Angeles, California. Another female porch pirate looks around sneakily before she takes off with someone's package.
You need something?
Hello, how you sir? Hello?
What do you want?
I'm very cold, man. Can you give me like I can see like over there close to your car? Just give me some clothes, man.
St. Louis, Missouri. So this guy with this Montclair jacket and a Gucci book bag rifles through someone's car and finds a key. He then tries to use the key to gain entry to this homeowner's house, but he's unsuccessful. Atlanta, Georgia. So this guy gets busted trying to steal somebody's work boots off their porch. Let's see what happens.
Hey, can you call 911? No. I can't have your shoes. They just beat me up, man. Okay, you go.
Yeah, get lost! Phoenix, Arizona. Yeah, better keep those doors locked. Yeah, some creeper comes and tries to wiggle someone's door. Meanwhile, in North Hollywood, the fake cleaning lady's still out wiggling doorknobs. Yeah, I'm telling you, you better keep those doors locked. Them doorknob wigglers out here trying to burglarize and enter your home. North Hollywood, California. Yeah, better keep those windows and doors locked. Look at these two guys creeping in someone's backyard, crawling like they're two babies. Hey, I see you crawling in the backyard. It's funny how these creeps think they're sneaking around, but that infrared light on that Ring camera catches them every time. Hey, why don't you go get a job or something instead of crawling around my backyard trying to steal my junk? Get lost! Yeah, as you can see, it's gonna be a real interesting year. San Diego, California. A porch pirate was busted in Espanol. Somebody please translate this. Make sure you thumbs up the video and subscribe if you haven't already. New video coming tomorrow.
Sorry. Yo no sé, pero estabas agarrando los paquetes de todos los buildings. So, a mí se me han desaparecido varios paquetes aquí también.
Luego le pongo eso. No me ponen en su lugar en cada vez. No, está bien, está bien.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.